the Cuisinart COS-330 Electric Smoker is a budget-friendly option for those looking to enjoy delicious smoked meats without breaking the bank. One of the best things about this smoker is its ability to hold temperature well, allowing for consistent results every time you use it. Plus, with its 548 square inch of cooking space and 3 chrome-coated racks, you can easily smoke enough food for a large group of people. One of the standout features of the COS-330 is its ease of use. The basic temperature controls may be a downside for some, but for those who are just starting out or are looking for a simple smoking experience, this smoker is a breeze to operate. Additionally, the easy-to-remove water pan and wood chip tray make for quick and painless cleanups. While the lack of a chip reloading feature may be a drawback, opening the door to reload wood chips or refill the water tray allows you to check on your food and ensure everything is cooking perfectly. Despite this minor inconvenience, the COS-330 is a great option for those on a budget who still want to enjoy the delicious flavors of smoked meats. In conclusion, the Cuisinart COS-330 Electric Smoker is a solid choice for beginners or those on a budget. It may not have all the bells and whistles of more expensive models, but it gets the job done and allows you to create mouth-watering smoked dishes with ease. Check it out for yourself and start enjoying the art of smoking meats at home.